Dear students, hope you are well. Today, in this video session, we are going to start a new lesson that is in your fourth number chapter entitled as Common Insects. This is a part of the animals. Okay, and in this video session, we will discuss about body parts of an insect such as head, thorax, abdomen, and the interesting one, life cycle of an insect, mainly about butterfly, right? So let's start with an introduction. You can see this is a picture which is taken from your book. You can see this is a picture of an ant, beetle, bee, fly, mosquito, grasshopper, butterfly. They are all insects and we can see every day around us. If you look at carefully, you can check they differ in size. That means their sizes are different, their shapes are different, their colors are different, and many features. Some of them they have wings, some of them they don't have wings, so many other features they have. And there are several kinds of insects present on the earth, you know. Mainly they are found almost everywhere, in air, on land, in water, even beneath the soil, and on plants and animals, right? So let's start with the body parts of an insect. Body parts of an insect. At first, exoskeleton. What is exoskeleton? Insect's body is covered by a hard outer covering that is called exoskeleton, and which is made up of chitin. If you touch any beetle, any bee, or any ant, you can feel this is very hard. Not very hard. Uh, um, you can feel that their body is made up of chitin or hard covering, right? So this provides protection, necessary support, and flexibility to their body. Which one? This chitin or exoskeleton, you can say. You know, an insect's body is divided into three main parts, right? They are head, this one, thorax, and the third one, abdomen. Okay, so now we will study about head. You know, insects have a pair of antennae. So this is antenna. You know, the insects have antenna. Cockroaches, they are also insects, they have antenna. Mosquitoes, they have antenna, and so many insects they have antenna. They use their antenna as a sensory organ to detect smell, tastes, vibrations, and sound also, right? They also have compound eyes which are made up of several smaller eye units. You can check, this is the picture of, that is the zoom in picture of eyes of an insect, right? There, this is a compound eyes which are made up of several smaller eye units. They are able to detect movement near them. uh, the, uh, they are able to detect movement near them very quickly because of the compound eyes. This helps them to protect themselves from their enemies, right? Another part is mouth parts. You can check in this picture. This is a mouth parts, and the mouth parts of an insect can be different types depending on the type of food they eat. Many insects like grasshoppers and beetles have biting and chewing type of mouth parts. Some others like butterflies, moths have siphoning type of mouth parts, so adapted for sucking nectar from flowers. And mosquitoes have a needle-like mouth part. They use it to break through the tissues of animals and plants to suck blood and plant juices respectively. And ants have powerful jaws that help them to dig and collect food. So different types of insects, they have different types of mouth parts, right? Such as, if I ask you who has biting and chewing type of mouth parts, the answer will be grasshoppers and beetles. Who have needle like mouth part, your answer will be mosquito. Who have powerful jaws, ants, right? Now the next part is thorax and abdomen. The middle portion of an insect's body is known as thorax. This is the middle portion. This is the middle portion. You can check. This is the middle portion of an insect's body is known as thorax. It is divided into three parts. You can check. This is one part, second part, and third part. So it is divided into three parts or three segments. It bears three pairs of legs. So 1, 2, 3, and another is here, here, here. That means 6 legs, one on each segment, each segment, each segment, and each segment. So they have total 6 legs, right? The legs are adapted to walk, swim, jump, dig, and grab. The tips of their feet usually contain sticky pads, hooks, or suckers, which allow them to cling to various types of surface or to hold on their prey. Right? The thorax also bears wings. You can check. This is a wings. So it contains wings. Bears wings. Most insects have 2 pairs of wings, but few like flies have only 1 pair. Some insects like ants and fleas, they don't have any wings. The ants and they don't have any wings, right? Now the next part is abdomen. An insect's abdomen usually consists of 11 segments. You can check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 segments. It contains the digestive system, excretory system, and reproductive system. In this picture you can see this is a hole, and through which an insect can breathe. These holes are called spiracles, right? They can breathe through these spiracles. So the insects can also contain, this abdomen is also contain specialized organs like stingers. Okay. Now the interesting one, life cycle of an insect. We will study about life cycle of a butterfly. Now you have to know what do you mean by life cycle? The series of changes through which a living thing passes during its lifetime is called life cycle. The series of changes through which a living thing passes during its lifetime. This is called life cycle. You know, the life cycle of an insect begins with an egg, which then hatches into a larva. Gradually, it develops into an adult. Some insects have 4 stages in their life cycle, while um, some of insects have only 3. And now we are going to know about the life cycles of a butterfly. You know, a butterfly passes through 4 stages. 4 stages. First one, egg. Second one, larva. Third one, pupa. And the last is adult. Right? Before starting, you have to know what is metamorphosis. Metamorphosis. Right? A butterfly becoming an adult is called metamorphosis. A butterfly becoming an adult is called metamorphosis. Okay, so now you can check. This is the picture of a life cycle of a butterfly. Okay, so first one, that is first stage, egg. The first stage is the eggs. This is where a female butterfly lays eggs. Right? First stage. A female butterfly lays eggs, and she lays the eggs on a leaf. You can check this in this picture. She laid egg on a leaf. Now, second one, that is second stage. The second stage is the caterpillar. This is known as caterpillar. Okay, caterpillar. This is where the eggs hatch. It takes about 5 days for the eggs to hatch. After hatches the egg, the caterpillar comes out. Okay, so it takes 5 days for the eggs to hatch. A caterpillar then comes out. At this stage, the caterpillar eats all the time. Caterpillar eats all the time. It also grows really fast in this stage. Now the third stage. Once it is all the way grown, the third stage starts. This stage is the formation. This is second stage, and now it is third stage. Now it is all the way grown, and in this stage the formation of pupa, or you can say this third stage is called formation of pupa. Right? The caterpillar is inside the pupa, where it starts to change. It soon changes into a butterfly. Once the caterpillar has changed into a butterfly, the fourth stage starts. And this is a fourth stage. In the fourth stage, this is the last stage in the life cycle. A butterfly comes out of the pupa and it can now learn to fly. Okay, so this is all about uh, the life cycles of a butterfly. Okay, please go through this video. This is all about for today, and next day we will define about, mainly we will categorize the insects into some groups such as social insects, useful insects, harmful insects, and remedies to prevent harmful effects of insects on humans we will study. Okay, so try to learn, and thank you for watching this video.